Acer Predator Triton 500 SE is a gaming laptop that aims to deliver an exceptional gaming experience. Packed with powerful hardware and innovative features, it has garnered attention from gamers worldwide. However, like any device, it has its strengths and weaknesses. In this article, we will explore 5 pros and cons of the Acer Predator Triton 500 SE, helping you make an informed decision before investing in this gaming powerhouse. Pros. Unparalleled performance. The Triton 500 SE boasts high-end specifications, including an Intel Core i9 processor, up to 32GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 GPU. With this impressive hardware, you can enjoy smooth gameplay and tackle resource-intensive tasks effortlessly. Stunning display. The laptop features a 16-inch QHD display with a 165Hz refresh rate, providing immersive visuals with vibrant colors and excellent clarity. The high refresh rate ensures minimal motion blur, giving you a competitive edge during fast-paced gaming sessions. Premium build quality. Acer has crafted the Triton 500 SE with a sleek and durable design. The laptop's aluminum chassis offers a premium feel while providing robustness to withstand daily wear and tear. The keyboard is comfortable to use, and the RGB lighting adds a touch of customization. Advanced cooling system. Heat management is crucial for gaming laptops, and the Triton 500 SE excels in this aspect. It incorporates Acer's innovative Vortex Flow cooling technology, which efficiently dissipates heat and keeps the system cool even during intense gaming sessions, reducing the risk of performance throttling. Portability. Despite its powerful internals, the Triton 500 SE remains relatively portable, making it suitable for gamers on the go. With a weight of around 4.6 pounds, 2.1 kilograms, and a slim profile, you can easily carry it in a backpack or travel case, ensuring gaming experiences beyond your home setup. Cons. Limited battery life. Gaming laptops often struggle with battery life, and the Triton 500 SE is no exception. While it is expected due to its power-hungry components, the laptop's battery life might not last long during extended gaming sessions away from a power source. It is recommended to have access to an outlet or use the laptop plugged in for optimal performance. Pricey. The Acer Predator Triton 500 SE falls into the premium category, which means it comes with a hefty price tag. While it offers top-tier performance and features, the high cost might put it out of reach for budget-conscious gamers. Average audio quality. The audio output of the Triton 500 SE is decent but not exceptional. While it can deliver clear sound, it lacks the depth and immersive experience that dedicated gaming headphones or external speakers can provide. Gamers who prioritize audio quality may need to invest in additional peripherals. Limited storage options. The laptop offers a fast solid-state drive, SSD, for speedy performance, but the available storage capacity may not be sufficient for some users. With a maximum configuration of 2 TB, gamers with a large library of games and media files might need to rely on external storage solutions. Keyboard placement. The Triton 500 SE's keyboard is positioned at the front of the laptop, leaving limited space for palm rest. While this design choice helps maintain a compact form factor, it can be uncomfortable for users who prefer resting their palms while typing or gaming for extended periods. Conclusion. The Acer Predator Triton 500 SE is a powerful gaming laptop that offers excellent performance, a stunning display, and a durable build. It is a suitable choice for gamers seeking portability without compromising on power. However, it comes with limitations such as limited battery life, a high price tag,